In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your Shopify account to your bank account. Successfully transferring funds requires understanding the payment provider you're working with, as the process can vary depending on your choice. So, let's get started on making sure your hard-earned money gets to you smoothly and efficiently. First, to begin the process, take a look at your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage your store's operations. Direct your attention to the bottom left corner of this dashboard, where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. It's the gateway that will open up various options to customize and control different aspects of your store, including payments, which is our main focus today. Once you're within the Settings menu, look for the Payments section and give it a click. This area is crucial because it controls how transactions are processed in your store. It's filled with essential tools and options that handle everything from accepting payments to transferring them into your account. Now, you'll see an option labeled Choose Provider. Selecting this will allow you to integrate a third-party payment provider, which is necessary for processing the transfers. At this stage, you need to decide on the provider you want to handle your transactions. The choice of provider can impact things like transaction fees, payout schedules, and available currencies, so select carefully based on what best fits your business needs. Once you've made your decision, follow the prompts to select and install the chosen provider within your Shopify account. This installation step is typically straightforward. Just follow the instructions specific to the provider, and Shopify will guide you through the necessary setup steps. After you've successfully installed your payment provider, things are very much on autopilot. The money accumulated from sales in your Shopify store will now be deposited directly into the selected account. That account should be where you want to receive your funds, making them ready for withdrawal. Depending on your provider's specific policies, the transfer may occur on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Always make sure to verify these details to align with your financial planning and cash flow needs. And there you have it. Your money is on its direct path to your bank account. You've now set your Shopify store up to handle payments efficiently, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. By exploring these payment options and familiarizing yourself with your provider's specifics, you'll maintain smooth and regular transfers that keep your business running seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on transferring funds from Shopify to your bank account.